In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to create leader stats in Roblox Studio. Let's get started. Leader stats are those stats you see on the leaderboard when you press the tab key, things like coins, wins, levels, or anything else you want to track for your players. First, launch your Roblox Studio and load a game or create a new base played project. Now you'll need to add a script inside the server script service, since leader stats need to run on the server. In the Explorer window, right-click Server Script Service, then choose Insert Object and select Script. Rename it to something like Leaderstats Script so you can keep things organized. Now inside that, you'll need to paste the script. You can find the script in the description. Here's what's happening. Every time a player joins, a folder called Leaderstats is created inside their player object. Inside that folder, we are adding two int values, coins and wins, both starting at 0. These will automatically appear on the leaderboard when you play the game. Now click play in Roblox Studio, press the tab key and boom, your leaderboard shows up with coins and wins right next to your player name. You have just made your first leader stats. And that's it, you now know how to make leader stats in Roblox Studio. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.